About to enter the west alley.
Copy. Bravo 6 moving interior.
I'll get the kettle on.
Are you fucking mad?
Focus up.
We're working with an ultra-nationalist group. They'll handle operations in the east after the
Take the
attack.
front row.
Trust the wolf.
You know I do.
Drop
But this
off.
operation failed, so why
It
are we
did
doing
not
this?
fail. Your dead brothers made sure of that.
We were supposed to have double the body count. It's all over the flippin' telly. That's the point!
This is the United Kingdom. Do you think anyone walks around worried that they're gonna get blown up? Well, now they do. Al-Qatala is a household fucking name. We need to coordinate with the other groups. Paris, Moscow, Munich.
And the Yanks?
Soon.
Flash out for 2-6.
Secure.
Alpha 3. Injury to the front door.
Bravo 6 moving to the first floor.
Garrick, what are you doing?
Target behind the door.
X-ray down. Two 6 use the grenade.
First floor secure.
On me. Bravo 6 moving to the second floor.
Engaged. Hope he the bad guys.
Watch out! Grenade! Check every room.
Floor secure.
Good call on the door, Garrick. Rally at the stairs. Bravo 6 taking the third floor.
I will not betray the wolf. Don't let me help. I don't want to be left alone. Let me go. Get here. Let me go.
Check your shots.
Hands up! Now!
Don't move!
Secure him! Suck the kid up! Secure.
First floor, take point, Sergeant.
Down! Get down! Get down!
Don't shoot! Don't shoot, please! They were going to kill me!
Don't move! Stop! Clear. Oh, fucking hell. She was going for a bloody detonator.
Good job we dropped it in.
We made the right call, sir.
We'll bet your ass. We got a location on the wolf.